Hi, I'm Iknur Ozgur, founder of Artstillery. We're a Dallas-based collective using immersive art to tell stories that often go unheard. Our new project, Dichotomy of Compassion, challenges audiences to confront a question rooted in the very idea of democracy. What happens when the American dream fails some of us?
I'm Goran, a visual artist, printmaker, and a storyteller. This work is deeply personal to me as an immigrant and an artist. I've lived through the collapse of governments and the search for new belongings. In this installation, we are building a symbolic house that will sit between two foundations, a tree and a rocket, one grounded in love, one in propulsion, often without care. This tension is real, and it's here in Dallas.
I'm Layla, a performer and educator born and raised in Dallas, Texas. This project speaks to the diversity of our city. Through stories told in multiple languages, cultures, and forms, we create space for voices long marginalized. As a Palestinian Lebanese American, I believe deeply in the power of art to foster peace and empathy. Dichotomy of Compassion gives Dallas the gift of reflection and healing.
I'm Paris, a filmmaker. My role is to capture truth, and truth isn't always comfortable. But through Dichotomy of Compassion, we use immersive media to guide people through that discomfort into understanding. This isn't passive art. It invites dialogue, it demands empathy, and that's what our city needs.
Each story in this installation is rooted in real experience. Stories of mothers teaching resilience, of children leaving home, of people caught between hope and harm. These are not characters. They are neighbors, our citizens, families, right here in Dallas.
I am Mike. I'm a builder and an engineer. I bring robotics and technology into this space. The rotating house that we built is not just a sculpture, it's a living metaphor, revealing how care can shift under our feet. We blend art and science to spark new ways of seeing.
And through that blend, we ask, how can we make compassion, real, messy, everyday compassion, a civic value? I will be designing projections of local and national narratives, which will not only project from the house itself, but from different angles within the space.
This is not about offering answers. This is about opening eyes. We want people to leave questioning their own biases, their own roles in communities. And we believe that that kind of reflection leads to change.
Artstillery was born from my family's history of displacement. We exist to amplify untold stories. Dichotomy of Compassion continues that mission. It's aligned with the Dallas Cultural Plan, building equity, celebrating heritage, and engaging communities in transformational art.
The Dichotomy of Compassion experience will be held at Artstillery's home at 723 Fort Worth Avenue in West Dallas. Guests will journey through the immersive installation, an emotionally powerful blend of storytelling, sculpture, soundscape, and projection. Afterward, participants will exit into our softly lit backyard sanctuary, where space is held for conversation, contemplation, and connection.
To encourage deeper engagement, we've created a reflection wall where guests can leave messages, thoughts, or responses to the experience. In addition, we invite all attendees to share their feedback through a short survey by scanning a QR code provided on site. These reflections help us grow and shape future community-centered work.
Dichotomy of Compassion will run across 2 weekends, welcoming audiences into a space of empathy, challenge, and transformation.
This project isn't just for art lovers. It's for everyone who believes Dallas can be a more compassionate, more inclusive place. We are building something that welcomes yet challenges every resident.
This is our city. This is our story. This is our Dichotomy of Compassion. Support us in providing this unique service to the city of Dallas.